Good morning, my name's Mark Chapman. I live in the Cambridge area. I've just recently passed the Diploma in Applied Financial Trading. I started on the 4 weeks trading skills course. I was really impressed with that and decided to carry on and do the whole thing. What I wanted to achieve with trading in LAT is where do I start with trading and where do I go from there? They put things in a nice, easy to follow process. The reason I chose LAT is because the guys were very transparent about their backgrounds. They weren't trying to mislead you in any way, and that was something I really liked about them. I found the service excellent. There's plenty of support. All the trainers have different personalities, which I think is a very good thing. What I particularly liked was the videos that were produced by Paddy. They're nice and easy to understand, and you get to keep PDF documents after. Without that, I don't think I would have ever really got going with trading whatsoever. The program certainly did meet my expectations. I would certainly recommend it to anyone out there. Had I not chosen this, I don't think I ever really would have started with trading. You can look at lots of different videos on YouTube all day long, but there's a lot of experience with these guys. They've been through it all and they put things together, as I say, for people that without any trading backgrounds at all. So I hope that helps, and best wishes to you out there as well.